Tucker, get on that water gate. Good evening, Todd T. Once again. Hey, truck.
Hey, Watchmaker, is that you? Watchmaker, 018 Tennessee B was waving at Mr. Watchmaker. Break.